Right, in this video I am going to be unboxing the Xbox X, should I say Xbox Series X. This is the 1TB version of the Xbox. They used to do Xbox One, then it went to Xbox S, which is a ½ GB memory one, less power, and this is Xbox X, the most powerful one. It looks like that. Thankfully giving us a controller as well. Right, that's what I mean. Security tabs, brand new. This is unboxing. I've never seen what the inside one of these looks like. It's a bit of a funny shape, to be honest, but the thing is, we've got so many games. We've got so many games from the Xbox series. It'd be a shame to switch over to the PS. The PlayStation one looks better, doesn't it? But I can't justify going over. We've got 0 PlayStation games and an absolute shed load of these Xbox ones. And if it can go all the way back to Xbox original, wow, we still got those. I can prove it to you. I can even prove we've got the original Xbox right here. See that? That's the original. A bit dusty. I've got the games controllers. Still works. Still really good. Still sometimes pull it out and play with it. Some of the games are really good. Like for example, Rocky boxing game. Excellent game that. Okay. So, wow. Start opening something. Wow. Quite odd. I was expecting that. It opens up like a jewellery box almost. Wow, that's really heavy. It's really heavy in this. Hopefully it's some more than just a box. Where's all the cabling? Okay, there it is. Power your dreams. Well, you can use it as a brick if you want, because that is so heavy. Don't know what this is. I guess it's how to connect to your controller, use your phone. 100% sure. So it's still heavy on this side. Oh, okay, it's in there. Wow, it's a different type of foam, isn't it? Very different. I'm going to keep the box actually. Okay, here's the business. HDMI, we needed one of them. Power cable, them old-fashioned two-prong ones. Remember with the 360 they went absolutely nuts on that thing, do you remember? Big chunky thing, because the old, you know the one I just showed you, Xbox used to catch fire. People used to play it so much. Right at that point there, used to catch fire in the old original Xbox. So when on the 360 ended up as a big chunky kind of plastic grey thing. Alright. Batteries as well. There's a controller. One controller will do. There is a guarantee card, I guess. I bet I will not be able to work out how to put it in the back here. Even minus the box, the Xbox itself. Right, so get that out of the way. Someone gets paid a lot of money just to do the design of the box. You all agree? Inside. Right. Okay, I give up. Right. Old Xbox brick, as you call it. Brand new. Right, nice. The base, I'm sure what that is. There's a big ridge there. USB. Now, I've got a wireless headset I'll plug into it. Hopefully that'll fit into that USB thing there. Anyway, that's it really. That is the unboxing. And what have we got here? USB, RJ45, Ethernet cable, power cable, HDMI, storage expansion. Wow, storage expansion. So 1 terabyte is not enough. Grippy bottom. Not sure what that is. Looks like it almost pulls out. Stands it upright, I guess. You cannot put a disc in this. No, there's no disc drive in this. There's no disc drive. Just download your game. Oh, I see. Unless there is a disc drive and I'm just completely being stupid about it. That does not pop out. Right, anyway, that's it. All the kids are laughing at me going, what's he doing? Doesn't he know? Anyway, thanks for watching. I think that's the disc drive. Must be, the shape of it. Press that button, it pops out. Must be. If you don't see me play, well, I haven't got a disc, I haven't actually got an Xbox game disc, but pretty sure that's what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching.